Okay, so this is going to be showing you guys if you need to get a reference image into me. I'm just going to take you through the process on how to do this. So first things first. Okay, so you're going to go to Google and you start doing a search. Anybody have any ideas, something that they might want to be looking for? Anything, anything, anything. James is barely awake. Okay, so I'm going to go look for, you can see I was looking for a pulled pork recipe video last night. We look for a tropical bird. Okay, so you're going to be trying to get some ideas, bigger the better, zoomed in, that kind of thing. But you also want a high resolution image. So to find a high resolution image, first of all, hit images. Then when you go to, you'll see right next to settings, there's tools. Click on tools, go to size, go to large. Now the images, they're still the same size. They're still what they call thumbnails. You don't want to right click on one of these images and save it. You got to make it large. So let's say that this one is a good one. And you can find several. I will print out anything that you send to me. So this is a pretty good picture and it's large. You can see on the bottom left-hand side, it says 900 by 900. That's because it is a large image. All of the images, by setting it to tools and setting it to large, all of these images will be large. So as you look through, and again, you're thinking about watercolor, mixing colors together, try to avoid finding photo, paintings or clip art. I encourage you to find photos. And all right. So this one right here has what they call a watermark, completely fine. A watermark is just a sort of, they put a screen on top of it with their logo. So that way this can't be printed and used for commercial use, that kind of thing. So it puts their own label on it. Not a problem, because we won't be using the actual image. We're just using it as a reference. So you right click on it, open image in new tab, and it will show up in a new tab. Okay, and if you click on it, you get a little magnifying glass sometimes with a plus on it. And if you click, just regular click on it, it zooms into it. You still have the entire picture. It's just showing you the clear resolution of it. It's a very good image. I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to save image as. It's at this point when you're on your Chromebooks, it's going to probably put it in downloads. Not a problem. It looks a little different on my end because I'm working on a Mac. So I'm just going to go to downloads. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to this assignment part right here. And here's your pointillism project reference, images. And this is where you're going to submit it. And I can see some of you guys already did, and I'll be printing them out. And again, they don't have to be you know, the same exact proportion and the same design layout. It's sometimes you just want to look at the colors and just use this for reference. So to submit it, let me review that real quick. All right, so this is just a blank one, but it's the same sort of template. So here's where you're going to put your work. I have some stuff already. I'm just going to hit unsubmit, and if I wanted to add, you hit add or create, and you're going to go to file. Now it's not uploaded in your Google Drive yet, so you have to upload it, so you go to browse. It's at this point you're going to see where your downloads are, and you should be able to find your picture. Okay, and there's my toucan right there, or my tropical bird. And then you just hit turn it in. And you can do many. So if you've turned in one and you want to submit another one, all you have to do is hit unsubmit. It's not going to unsubmit what you did. It's just going to open it up so you have that button, add or create. Okay, so that is, I'd like your pictures before the weekend. So I can have them all set for you for Monday. All right. And that is it. So I'm going to stop the recording.